What is the most immediate answer to bloat, gas, flatulence, distension, and overall just discomfort associated with SIBO and IBS FODMAP food problems? What is the answer to that? I've got that answer. Hi, my name is Phil. I'm with Fern brand. The fast answer is FODMAP enzymes. Here it is. Ready? So you take FODMAP enzymes. This is a particular type of enzyme group that breaks down FODMAP. So it's not just any regular enzyme, just so you know. 2, you have to take them at the beginning of the meal or preferably right before the meal. So if you're at a restaurant and they hand you a menu and they give you a glass of water, you take it then. That's the ideal time. Still works great if you take it at the beginning of the meal. Earlier on in the meal, the better, okay? So take it earlier on in the meal. And then number 3, you have to take enough enzymes. So if you're taking this amount of FODMAPs and you have this amount of coverage, you're still gonna be uncomfortable. So you have to take enough of the right type of enzymes at the right time, and then you don't have the problem. How do I know this? I do this a lot. By the way, I also do this with practitioners. So I am training a practitioner here in Utah. I'm working with her and I'm training her. And she owns a clinic. She's in the SIBO IBS protocol. She's in the pre-cleanup step. She was getting ready to head on vacation with her family to Hawaii. And she reached out to me and she said, hey, I really need help. I want to go on vacation. I don't want to be uncomfortable the whole time. What do I do? And I was like, oh, that's super simple. Stop by the office. I'll get you some bloat and gas relief enzymes. So she did. She stopped by. She grabbed the bloat and gas relief enzymes, which is this. This is a FODMAP enzyme. This is what it does. This is specifically what it does. It's not breaking down fats. It's not breaking down proteins. It is specific to FODMAPs, okay? Unique blend. It's not just a standard blend. So it breaks down FODMAPs. So she came by, she picked it up, she took it on her trip. She had it before, she had 2 to 3 capsules at the beginning of the meals, right before the meals, her trip, and she was blown away by it. So does it work? Yes, I do this a lot. Is this a answer to SIBO and IBS issues? I did not say that. That is a totally different thing. But people ask, what's the most immediate thing I can do to be able to have food freedom when I'm on either a low FODMAP diet or I have severe bloating and discomfort and gas? And the answer is, this is the answer for most immediate problems. Do we have protocols that help with SIBO and IBS issues? Yes, we're very good at that. But here's the problem to our approach. Most people prefer antibiotics because it's a quick fix. They go take a bunch of antibiotics for 14 days, and now I would strongly suggest that's not addressing the problem. There was an initial cause for why you have a bacterial overgrowth. It didn't just suddenly happen. But so if you want to address the underlying root cause of why you have the bacterial overgrowth and gut issues you have, that's our approach. But it takes time, it costs money, you have to put effort in. So if you don't like that, then don't do that, okay? But if you want to do it correctly, that's our approach. Obviously, I'm a blunt individual. I'd prefer people that are not willing to go at it and they don't want to go all the way, that they just not buy. I would prefer that, okay? But if you want to do it the right way, we have the right way. Do we work with a lot of practitioners? Yes, obviously we work with a ton of individuals. I used to have really bad SIBO and IBS issues. I used to not be able to digest dairy. Most of the stuff in the produce section used to just absolutely cause me an ultimate wreck. I would like just complete bloating, gas. It was horrible, okay? So no issues for years and years and years. I know it works because I've done it myself. I know it works because I do it with I help a lot of people. If you want that protocol approach, you send us a DM. Don't chat it, please. We can't respond in chats. There's just not enough space. So if you send us a direct message and say, I need help with a protocol, our people will ask questions, and then based on your answers, I'll give you a protocol, okay? Hope that helps. If you have any questions, once again, just send us a DM. But your most immediate answer, like today, if you're worried about severe bloating and gas and discomfort, and it's like the holidays are coming up, which they are, or you're going on a vacation or whatever, is the bloat and gas relief. It's a killer product. You're welcome. Bye.